Friends, today we are going to learn how to use Revolve Cut, also Cut, Mirror command in this Solid Edge. This is some simple yet complicated part you can see here. Okay, so in the middle you can see here we have to maintain a 15 mm diameter, and at the end it is 49.5 mm diameter. At both ends we have to maintain. You can see there is no step here. So how we are going to do this part? It is interesting part, so please listen carefully. So first of all we will go to Revolve here. Okay, so what we will do, we will draw a sketch like this, a little bit tapered, then tapered, and then this is how we are going to create. Okay, so if you see friends, our total distance is of 245. Here you can see 245. Okay, now our center distance is of 135. Okay, so friends, now you can see you have to give dimension between this lines and this point here, which is 55. For that purpose we are going to use this distance between 2 points. Okay, so click on this, and then this point you can see we are going to get a 55 dimension. Now friends, you can see we have to maintain a diameter of 50. So for maintaining diameter 50 we are going to use symmetric diameter here. Then click on this line and this line, which is 50 here. Now it is inverted shape, so again we are going to give dimension. Right click, then again you can use the same command again of dimensioning. So here we have to give a dimension of 49.5. Enter, and again by clicking on right click, here we are going to give a dimension of 49.5. Okay, so still our sketch is not fully constrained, so for that we need to connect it with the origin here. Yes, so that's how you can see here the part is tapered now on both ends. So now we will close the sketch, but it is asking for axis of revolution. For the revolve command you can click on revolve and then close the sketch here. Finish. Now we will say finish here. Okay, here now we have a cutout of 42 mm for a length of 24. Here you can see. So what we will do, we will go to extrude, add and cut. Here we will click on cut, then click on this face, and then we will draw a circle of say 42. Enter. Sorry, it is 4, so we have to again enter 42. Enter. Yes, and we have to cut it up to 24 mm. So here enter. Okay, so again you can see here we have to give a cutout of 30 for this whole length throughout. Okay, so for first of all again we have a 42 mm cutout here in this side for a length of 24. So we can use a mirror command. We have to mirror this cutout on this side. As our part is symmetric, so we can use that command. So go to mirror. Here you can click on mirror. Mirror copy part or mirror feature also you can use. Okay, so click on mirror, click on, okay. So now as we have already selected our uh, cutout command, then we will just select the plane, or after which we are going to mirror this command. So this is plane, is a mirror plane. So you can see here our cutout is generated. So finish. So yes, now we will give a cutout of 30 mm throughout length. We will again go to extrude and then click on cut. Then here we will again go for the sketch. We will click on circle by center point. Then here we will give a dimension which is of a 30, and we want it through next. So we will through, you can also click on through all and just give direction, and then you can see our through all is ready now. Okay, so again they have a chamfer of 0.5, you can see here, and chamfer of 1.5 here. Chamfer of 0.5 at the start of this cutout. So we will go here round, then chamfer, and click cutout. Here you can see, so it is 0.5 already, so you can say yes, finish. Now we want a chamfer of say 1.5 at this point, at this point. So again we will go here and we change the setback to 1.5. Then we will here and here we will give that, yes. So friends, that's how we use revolve, cut, mirror, and how to give chamfers to in Solid Edge 2024. Thank you.